The last few weeks on Robinhood Chain has felt like the prime of base meme coin season. And there's one base meme coin that started it off, that kind of kicked it all off, and that was a cat coin. And we're seeing the same similarities with Robinhood. We're seeing Cash Cat, which is a cat meme coin, kind of kick it off for Robinhood as well. So let's go back in time. Let's look at the OG cat of the base ecosystem, because I'm telling you guys, as Coinbase starts to blow up and gain more popularity and become more of a household name, the base ecosystem is going to go. And what is the first base meme coin? None other than Toshi. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. If you guys like what you see by the end of this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's get straight into it. Now, guys, overall, the crypto markets are looking a little bit brutal, okay? Bitcoin right now hovering around 63,000, just had a little bit of liquidation. Literally not even like 30 minutes ago, I recorded another video and Ethereum was actually hovering over 1900. It was at 1940. Bitcoin was over 64, and it's down. Then you can see in the last hour, Ethereum is down 1.87%, 1.9%, and going down even more. Fear and greed index down 35. It's crazy, guys. The markets are absolutely brutal right now, but I do expect it to recover for the sole reason that, boom, look at this, official new Crypto Clarity Act draft published. What happened? The Senate banking version and House Agriculture Committee version have been merged, and an ethics provision have been added for the first time. What comes next? A motion to proceed is expected today or Tuesday, with the possible floor vote for the next week of August 3rd. SEC Paul Chair, we're going to listen to this as well, okay? So SEC Paul Chair Atkins, I'm optimistic that Congress will pass the Clarity Act. He says the SEC is ready, willing, and able to come with the rules either to implement the bill or if Congress fails to act. Ultimately, we need the certainty of a stature that will help future-proof so that we have clear direction to go forward. Let's take a listen to this. I'm just going to mute my mic and let you guys take a listen.
Well, I'm optimistic that Congress will pass the Clarity Act, and we're doing all we can to help them answer their questions and provide technical assistance. But ultimately, statute is the way to future-proof something. We are ready, willing, and able to come out with rules, that address the same issues in Clarity and other aspects of the crypto market. And I think that it behooves us to do that, either to implement the Clarity Act, or if something should not happen in Congress, then we stand ready to provide that. But ultimately, we need the certainty of a statute that will help future-proof so that we have clear direction and to go for.
Honestly, guys, after being in crypto since 2017, it's good to see the SEC is kind of on board to kind of get things to fall into place for crypto and really just try to future-proof and push it in the right direction. He says the SEC is ready and willing and able to come out with rules either to implement the bill or even if Congress fails to act. So obviously, very good signs all around. Now let's take a look at Toshi, because I do believe, guys, that the Crypto Clarity Act being passed through Senate is going to mark the bottom of this bear market. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that we are in a bear market, and we're seeing little pop-ups, little rallies here and there of certain meme coins, right? We're seeing things like Cash Cat that have made people millionaires. We've seen Cash Cat turn people's $100 investment into over 6 figures, into over 7 figures. And that was kind of, the normal back in base season, back in the base trenches of 2025. And a lot of those plays were captured here in my channel inside of my private Discord, the Inner Circle. Let me just show you guys some massive W's that we've had. Okay, look at this. This guy over here made his average yearly salary in his country, which is Estonia. He made that 20K in 1 month. Okay, another guy inside of their guys made 25K in 2 months. Another one of my traders inside of that Discord. Again, these are paying people who pay to be a part of it. Now, unlike other Discords that you guys join, there isn't 500,000 people in there sending you buy alerts. All the buy alerts are coming from me, myself, and I. This guy over here with his last $10 in his wallet turned it into over 5K in just 3 weeks. And it doesn't stop there, because look, guys, guys. I have hundreds of testimonials on here. Started with 300, over 3K. There's a guy that started with 1K into 4K. There's another guy in there, guys, that turned $100 into over 10K. Hundreds of testimonials. Click the link down below if you want to be that next testimonial, guys. Join the inner circle. Discord link is down below. Now, when it comes to the price of Toshi, yes, it does look a little lackluster, but I'm here to tell you there are not many cat meme coins that are out there. Keeping that in mind, you need to understand that when cat meme coins make a recovery, Toshi is one of the biggest ones. Now, when I say biggest, I'm coming with facts as well, guys, because let's take a look. Top 5 cat coins by market cap. Cash Cat right now is leading the way, but Cash Cat is also one of the newer ones. It's the one on Robinhood, right? Cash Cat was the one that kind of took off, and it's right now, it's sitting at 35 million, and Toshi is sitting at 44 million. So it looks like the roles have actually flipped, right? Toshi is at 44 million. Let's take a look at what Popcat is at. Popcat sitting at 40 million. So it does look like it's still holding up well. And am I going to check the other ones? PURR, Pearl. Let's take a look at what that is sitting at. That's sitting at 38 million. So it looks like right now, Toshi is the #1 cat meme. Top 5 cat coins by market cap. Someone needs to flip the script because Toshi is now #1. I'm telling you guys, when the market reverses, when meme coin season is back again, Toshi is going to be a hard mover. It's going to be a very good mover. Let's take a look, right? Read up on Toshi. Fun facts. Did you know Toshi is the first ever real on-chain community takeover CTO? Toshi did 2 contract migrations. Usually tokens go to 0 after migrations, while we grew. This from Coco's Lair, who was the one who CTO'd the project. Toshi migrated into a 3% tax token through the votes of the community, then removed the tax after a vote proposed to the Meow DAO, after a few months. Toshi is the first ever base meme. Toshi is the first ever base meme to get listed on Coinbase. Toshi did over $1 billion of organic trading volume multiple days in a row after the Coinbase listing. Toshi is the most decentralized meme out there with full ownership of its own IP. Toshi has a group of over 100 contributors to the project, ranging from moderators, X-raters, Redditors, and much more. Toshi is here to stay because I am not giving up until this is one of the best known community projects in the world. Every cycle we will grow bigger and stronger. We will succeed as we have done for the past 2 years, where others checked out because they made money. I am not doing this for money. I am doing this for legacy and for my kid. Toshi has 100% supply circulating in the hands of actual holders. No supply sniped by the team, friends, and family, except for maybe a few holders that still hold part of their bag since today. Congrats to them if that's the case, and they held for 2 years. Toshi has plans for growth that you can't fathom. Those will be activated at certain target levels we will hit in the future. Now let's take a look at him right now, guys. He's still talking about Toshi. Still here on and posting about Toshi as well. He has taken a little bit of a step back, though, I will say, but he is still bullish on the project and he hasn't abandoned it. So I'm optimistic for when the market does recover to see how things play out. Now, if you guys went on to enjoy this video, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.